You have a man who saying did go either World War II or Panama Canal go work or say they go either Cuba, one of them places. But when me know him a big man, you know him whole heap about 60. But he a one eye. Him a tailor and he claim say he can do little barbering too, but you only could have get for trim like the old man them and so on. So no young youth now go to him and them something. So he live alone and him live now on two-room house. Him live one side and one lady with the washing named Vicky and him named Logan. Them dead about some 60 odd years or more now. And them live there. But the lady have one son. So she and her son live in the room. She don't live with nobody. But the man have a whole heap of nickname, you know, man. Then call him wife. Then call him buggy lantern. Then call him cane knife. Then call him Barbara Richards. And a whole heap of nickname he have, man. And he answer to all of them, you know, by his time, if he say him, I go lick it down with stone, you know. Before him just low you, make you call till you're tired and you know bother with him no more. So, he will walk with a stone in his pocket, you know. And a one eye have, you know, so he wear one dark glass. So when he walk with stone in and if he see you and knows that you did call him say yesterday, you know. You don't know that girl if you make him come up near you, you know. You see, then say one time, you know, he in his house, you know, he know nobody, you know. And inside there and him a cry and him a bawl and him a pray to God and him a say, God, if you give him one wife. Now, me no know who come a road come talk it, you know, because the lady will live next door to him in the other room. She don't have nobody live with neither, you know. So, me no say she, but maybe she figure say him should have tell her that. Me no know if her son do it either. When come a road come talk say, inside there ball and a pray to God and say God forgive him a wife. So you call him wife? Sugar lump, cane knife, Baba Richards, one eye Richie, and them something. He have to run, man. He walk with him pocket them full of stone. One time he come up to my mother, you know, and said to her, I say, let's hope none of your sons are troubling me, you know. So mother still, you know, and I still say, oh, no trouble Baba Richard. I say, no, mama. I say, no trouble him. Him come to me today. But if you want to run, you just call him cane knife, call him sugar lump, call him wife, or any one of them name the way you have. You have to run, man. Whole heap of run, you have to go run up and down, man. But he lived there for a while and him did all dead, you know. Yeah, man, Baba Richards, cane knife, sugar lump, and then something, you know.